Survivors of Wednesday's deadly crash off Hawaii are sharing the terrifying details of their ordeal. Hawaii Health Department Chief Loretta Fuddy was killed when the plane went down in the Pacific shortly after takeoff. 8 others survived the crash. A woman who was seated directly behind her said that they heard a bang and a lot of beeping before the plane started to fall.
It was like a slow motion of everything. Plane slowly going down and even didn't even think what the next step is. It's just something happened. Something drastic happened.
The owner of the airline that operated the plane said engine failure caused that crash.